Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
All of this shall be over, but we cannot sit in our rooms like the barrister said, and today is just to sensitize everybody. Solidarity.
We are today, we cannot sleep at night. For those who assist.
Enough of the killings, enough of the hardship, enough of everything. We are saying we don't want killings. Estimates are killing us. We can't sleep with our two eyes closed. So all we are saying is we are putting an end to this hardship. Let him readdress the system of this government. Our voice must be heard. We are moving in one movement.
I want good governance. I don't want hunger in the land of Nigeria. I want everybody to live fine and be good. That is what I mean. I want the government to listen to the voice of the youth. That is all we are here to ask for. Yes, if they can stop Twitter for 24 hours, they can also stop this insecurity. It is doable. They should be able to stop insecurity. We don't want killings. We want killings to stop in this land.
Government cannot provide security again. It is clear. In Benue, they are killing our people.
We are not secure.
In Imo, they are killing our people.
We are not secure.
In Ibarapa, they are killing our people.
We are not secure.
We are crying right now that this government cannot help this situation.
Every day there must be an end to the killings, the banditry and the kidnapping that symbolize the government of Buhari. The government has been silent on our yearnings and aspirations. We can no longer be silent.